Remember I told you about bubbles when it gets cold? So now it's cold and now it's bubbling. I just filled it up with some refrigerant oil so you can see it. Let's see if we get our nice apple to focus right there. So all those new little tiny bubbles are coming up from the leak down at the valve core. And when I first poured it in there, it was crystal clear. Can you focus closer? Trying to see if I could get it to focus real close. Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. Get in there. Focus. Okay. Apple doesn't want to be friendly right now and give us a nice, beautiful, clear picture, but that's as best as I can get. You see that? That only leaks after the refrigerant line gets cold. It doesn't leak when it's stagnant and the whole engine's warm and it had like high 80 psi pressure in it. It doesn't leak. But after the pressure lowers and this metal gets cold, it starts leaking only in operation, and then it'll shut off. That's what kind of leak that is. So we're definitely replacing the valve since they're original from 2012 and they're ugly looking. All right, that you've seen from the first video.